ഹായ് അച്ചുമോനെ, മോൻ്റെ 21 പിറന്നാളിന് അച്ചമ്മയുടെ വക ആശംസകൾ. കൂടാതെ മോൻ്റെ ആയുസ്സിനും ആരോഗ്യത്തിനും വിദ്യാഭ്യാസത്തിനും വേണ്ടി അച്ചമ്മയുടെ അനുഗ്രഹവും പ്രാർത്ഥനയും എപ്പോഴും ഉണ്ട്.
Happy birthday, Arjun.
From Appachi.
And Chittu.
Happy birthday, Achu. Wanted to wish you health, happiness, and success in everything you do. Hope you have lots of.
Hi Achu, it's me Nandana, your older sister by a month. I just turned 21 like you did a week ago, and well, nothing has really changed except the fact that you've become legally an adult, and maybe you can get away with a lot of things when you're 21. But you're still kind of the same person as you were when you were 20. But I hope that you are able to achieve whatever dreams that you have in the future, and don't stress out. You know, life just happens.
Happy birthday, Achu.
Happy birthday, Achumane. May God bless you.
ബർത്ത്ഡേ അച്ചുമോനെ, മക്കള് പഠിച്ചു വലിയ നിലയിലാവണം, ആരോഗ്യവും ആയുസ്സും ഉണ്ടാവട്ടെ മക്കൾക്ക്.
Happy birthday, Achumane.
Happy birthday, Achumone.
Happy birthday, Achukutta. Wish you all the best for a bright future.
Happy 21st, Achuchata.
Happy birthday, Achu. Wishing you everything beautiful in this whole wonderful
Happy birthday, Achu. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday, Achu.
Happy birthday, Achumone.
Happy birthday, Achu.
Happy birthday, Achuchata. Happy birthday, Achuchata.
Happy birthday, Achuchata.
Happy birthday, Achuchata.
Hi, Achumone. Happy birthday.
I wish you happy birthday, Arjun.
Happy 21st birthday, Achumone. Stay blessed.
Achu, happy birthday. I hope all your dreams come true. May God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Achu. God bless you.
God bless you. Happy birthday, Achuchata. Happy birthday, Achuchata.
Happy birthday, Achu.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ അച്ചു.
ഒത്തിരി പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്.
Happy Achu.
Hi Arjun, happy 21st birthday. Barbados was really fun with you. I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. Bye.
Hey Arjun, happy birthday. The Barbados trip was really fun with you, and I'm wishing you a very happy birthday, and I hope you have a great day.
ഹായ് മോനെ, ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ.